In this video, we'll explore the live screen feature in TeamTrace. This feature allows admins, managers, or any other user with the appropriate permissions to view what specific users are working on in real time. To enable it, navigate to Settings and under TeamTrace Setup, go to Productivity. Here, you'll find the live screen option. You'll see a simple yes and no toggle to turn the feature on or off. The All row applies the setting to every user in your organization. You also have the option to filter by people or department as needed. Once live screen is enabled for a user, navigate to the Productivity tab in the left panel and select People Screenshots. Search for the user using the filter options at the top, and in the top right corner, you'll find the Live Screen button. Click it to view that user's screen in real time. You can also explore the extensive features available for live screens from the Live Screens button under the Productivity tab. Here, you can view the live screen for every listed user and filter by people, department, or branch. 2 grid layout options are available, so you can choose the one that suits your preference. At the bottom of each user's live screen, you'll find a Start button. Once you initiate a recording, it's saved to the Recording Log section, visible in the top right corner of the screen.